This 2025 Forest River Wildwood X-Lite Northwest 273 QBXL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Rock Springs, Wyoming, 82901 and is offered for sale by First Choice RVs. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 33 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 11, auxiliary battery, skylight, leveling jacks, stovetop burner, awning, refrigerator, oven, smoke detector, slide-out, air conditioning, and 61 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bath. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Forest River Wildwood X-Lite Northwest 273 QBXL is 6,550 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to First Choice RVs.